All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at this Hovnanian property. This one is in Lakeview Estates. This is the Ellen floor plan. So just for reference, this is the other plan that's available. So you have that David Weekley, you have the Sitterly, and then you also have Jamestown Estate Homes. These are on 1 to 2 acre lots. As you can tell, this is kind of what we're working with. So they are building a lot of other plans. I know they have other plans that are available, but I want to showcase this one because this one's dressed up, it's furnished, it is ready to go. And I do apologize in advance. It is pretty windy out here, so just keep that in mind. Hopefully you can hear my voice. And let's go ahead and take a look. As soon as you walk into the property, you are immediately greeted with the formal dining room right here. So you have plenty of space. Just for reference, you have this 6 chair table right here. And you definitely have plenty of walk room inside of here. The one thing I'm loving is that accent wall as soon as you do walk in. So this is immediately what you're greeted with. I'll make sure to just open every single door so that way you know what's going on. And then you have your coat closet right here. And then just continuing along. So you have your great room that's connected to the kitchen itself. And you can tell how stunning this place is. So even just looking at the kitchen itself, you do have the white cabinetry with the quartz countertops. You have this large oversized breakfast bar, which is definitely fantastic. I love the backsplash right here. It's almost like a mosaic style backsplash. And then I'll do a pan so that way you could see the great room. So you have 4 exposed beams on tops. Now keep in mind, folks, this is a model house. So sometimes some of these options may be upgrades, but of course, if it's something where you want to get a similar model to this or something that's different, but from the same builder, we can see what options that you have to purchase. And then this will be your game room right here. So if you can imagine putting in maybe an L-shaped couch or just keeping it how it is, since you do have some windows inside of here. And then you have a little closet right here. So if you can imagine right here, this will be perfect to put Connect 4, Twister, Monopoly, any games that you have. And let's continue. This will be your full size bathroom. The one thing I really love about this bathroom is you have dual sinks. A lot of times when we go into some of these full bathrooms and they're shared, they don't have dual sinks. So you always want to look for dual sinks just because you'll have plenty of space. You'll have, if you have people that are sharing the bathroom, they can have one section and you can have the other. I absolutely love this right here. So this is a hidden built-in shelving right next to the toilet. So easily, it looks very discreet, very minimal. I love it. So let's continue to the first bedroom. So this one's gonna have carpet inside of there. You have the window right there. And I love this section. You could easily put how they put a bench over here just for decorations or getting ready in the morning. But you could easily utilize this as a guest bedroom or bedroom for the kids, just depending on who's gonna be living in the property with you. And then you have a nice sized closet, not the biggest, but definitely adequate for a decent sized wardrobe. And then we'll continue along. So that was the first bedroom right there. This will be your second. So one thing I am noticing is that you do have plenty of space inside of the bedroom. I love this carpet right here. It's not that plush carpet that we so much love, but it definitely has a cozy element to it. And then you have the same size closet as well. So some folks really don't care as much about a walk-in closet comparison to others. So if it is something where you do want a full-size walk-in closet for these other bedrooms, we could definitely see about getting you taken care of. But I mean, just looking to the backyard, you have that covered backyard patio, you have plenty of space. And I just love that you have this electric fireplace as well with the accents on there. So we'll continue along. This will be your third bedroom right here. Very similar in size to the first bedroom that we've seen. like I said, right here, they put a chair, but you could easily put a bench right there. And just for reference, you have a queen size bed, 2 night tables, and you definitely have plenty of space. And then we'll continue along. I'll show you the closet. So you have a walk-in closet inside of here. So if the other bedrooms were utilized maybe as the guest room, this could easily be the children's bedroom or whoever's living with you. And the one thing I love about this bathroom is it connects to both the hallway as well as the bedroom. So you have your shower tub combo with this backsplash. It's like a brick-like backsplash. You have your black shower head with the black knob, faucet knobs as well. And so that one was sectioned off, and then we'll continue to the primary. So the first thing I'm noticing inside of the primary is you have higher ceilings, which is great. You have this beautiful lighting fixture right over the king size bed with the 2 nightstands. And you have all these windows for plenty of natural light. So if you can imagine maybe on a Saturday morning, just opening that up and just relaxing at home. And I love the openness of the primary. I just love the accent wall as well right here. I think it looks fantastic. I mean, and you could easily, comfortably fit a king size bed with the 2 nightstands in here. And this is going to be your primary bathroom. So I love that you have your freestanding tub right here. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts as far as, do you like it positioned this way, or would you position it horizontally versus vertically? I'd love to hear your thoughts. But you have your his and her sink. And then I always mention, I love that the women have their vanity area over here. You got quartz countertops. You got the wooden mirror framing around both of them. And if you notice, you have the higher ceiling concept inside of here as well. And then taking a look at the shower, you got 2 shower heads, 2 separate temperature controls inside of here. And you have the full glass doors, which is fantastic. I think it adds a nice sleek look, almost like an invisible shower. So let's take a look at how large the primary closet is. So this is what we're working with as far as the closet is concerned. I think you have a lot of space in here for a nice size wardrobe. You got carpet inside of here, and you definitely have the built-in area where you can continue and put maybe coats from the winter, especially if it's summertime. A lot of times you want those, out of sight, out of mind. So when you walk in, you really won't have to see that immediately. Of course, you got a nice linen closet right there. And of course, your toilet wouldn't be complete without your toilet. And I'll do one more pan around here. Wow. Absolutely stunning. And then just taking a look, oh my goodness, look how beautiful the great room is. I mean, I can't get enough of this. And then of course, you have your study, you have your French doors inside of there. I love that. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard. And again, folks, this is on an acre lot. I know inside of here, you got acre lots, you got 2 acre lots. So just depending on what you need and how much space you need for the backyard, especially if folks are actually gonna be back there, then we could get you accommodated. But of course, this is your utility room. You do have enough space inside of here for a full size washer and dryer. You have your sink right here. And then of course, your built-in shelving on top. Me personally, I love just the cabinetry on top, just how we always mention, you can easily hide your laundry detergent or your fabric softener. That way it's out of sight, out of mind. And then like I mentioned, I'll definitely open every single door for you. This is your powder bath right here. So if people are being entertained in the backyard, they could easily come through this door, through the covered backyard patio without having to go through the great room and use the restroom and go right back outside. All right. And this is going to be your covered backyard patio. You have epoxy flooring on here. I think this is the first time I've actually seen epoxy flooring inside of a backyard patio. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I really suggest, or I love personally, you know, the ceramic tile in the back, or even just tile flooring itself, but really to each his own. It just little things that could be changed easily. And this is your huge backyard, and then that will be your detached garage. Of course, I love that they had that cover so you can access the detached garage. And that, folks, is K Hovnanian Homes. All right, Reagan family, I hope you absolutely love that property tour. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.